Good morning, Brussels. It's the 29th day of April, and it's my last day here in Belgium. So, even though it's raining, I decided to go out and explore. And I'm quite surprised because there is a Sunday market somewhere near my hotel. So, yeah, look. So I just hope the rain will stop so I can do a lot of things. So yeah, I'm currently here in Hazel Station because I decided to see Atomium, which is quite a famous symbol of Brussels and Belgium in general. So yeah. That huge structure over there is Atomium. So yeah, if Tokyo's got Sky 3 and Paris has got Eiffel Tower, so it's Belgium, which is Atomium. So I took the wrong way, and I thought it will lead me to the Atomium, but the road was closed. So yeah, I needed to turn back. But I think it's the right way now. So I just found the perfect spot to take pictures here in the Atomium, which is yeah. So many people go to this particular spot to take picture. So yeah, I just hope the rain will stop so I can take better photos later. So this whole area is called Brussels Expo. This is the place where the World Expo in 1958. I think that was 1958 was made. Yeah. So right now I'm on my way to the National Basilica of the Sacred Heart. Which is said the fifth largest religious structure in the world. So yeah. Oh, there it is. Wow. Look at that. So this is a very nice park to jog in the morning. It's quite a walk to the Basilica, but yeah, we're getting there. So they started sounding the bells. So I assume there will be a mass. Hear that? Wow, it's really huge. Finally made this far. But the stairs are never ending. Wow, it's really huge. So this is the National Basilica of the Sacred Heart. So this area is called Bourse. I hope I said it right. This area is called Bourse, and rent places just over there. Yeah. So it looks like they are giving free drinks. So yeah. I'll try to line up.